What's going on, guys? Landreakin666 is here. So yeah, guys, as you can see, yeah, it doesn't work anymore. Well, yes, it doesn't work anymore. It doesn't work anymore. It doesn't even really work anymore. When I use the staircase, it doesn't work anymore. I check the command blocks, it works. Now I delete them. Now it really doesn't work. So when I use my ender pearl, as you can see, I can still go into this. Like, no way. Look at it. Dude, it's still this. Right, so let's go outside. Find it in the little hay bale. Now, as you can see, look, guys. When I teleport to this, all you get. Okay, there we go. I just accidentally. Okay. So let's try again. So look, guys. When I teleport here, all you get is this. It's just nothing because I keep missing it. Look, if I teleport, wait, it needs to be a hole. Right, when I teleport here, all you get is this. All you get is this. So yeah, guys, all you literally get is this. Literally, you are inside of here. And now there's 30 bees inside. Now if I go out, check everything. Now if I landed in the hay bale, see? All you get is this. All you get is this, guys. So guys, this is the end of this video. So haha, I clickbaited you. So bye bye.